You are looking at the gold US dollar daily chart. You can see here that from the analysis, the market is bullish because it's just trading in between this ascending channel we're having here. This ascending channel, the price is just playing in between, which is indicating that it's in a bullish trend. So focusing on the point of interest here, this areas here. So I will go down to the 4-hour chart. This is where the market is playing now. So in the 4-hour chart here now, also in the 4-hour chart, you can see that the price is just playing this area now. This area is where the price is playing. You can see that this point is the here is the diagonal support. You can see how price hit this point and push to the upside, and I think it has done that before in the past. You can trace back to it. You can see this point here. You can see how the market reacted off it. It's an ascending support. An ascending support is a catalyst for the bullish trend. Anytime the price comes to this area, we have a push to the upside. Okay, that's why you can see here again this point. You can see this point here. The price came to this point and reacted off it, pushed to this point here. Okay, but eventually we had price broke through it. You can see this point, price has broken below it, has failed to hold. Price is below it now, but still it went back to retest it, using it as a resistance. You can see at this point the price hit this point and then collapsed to the downside again. It came here again, the same thing. Whole diagonal support or ascending support is now diagonal resistance. You can see it come here again and it was rejected to the downside again, but eventually we had price push in again, broke in again to this point, came back a test. Now it's a support now again. Old resistance becomes new support, old support becomes new resistance. So in this case, it's a diagonal support here, which was a diagonal resistance here. It broke in again, use it again as a diagonal support. You can see the retest here. The price push up back again to this horizontal resistance level we have here. So this is indicating for us that the buyers now are in strength. The buyers are building their momentum. So we want to see now what the price will do again at this point. Now we are at a resistance, horizontal resistance level here. Okay, we want to see if the price is breaking through it. If the price eventually breaks through this horizontal resistance, I think the next point of interest should be this descending resistance we have here. This trend line here is serving as descending resistance or diagonal resistance. Okay, I think if the price is able to break through this horizontal resistance it is here currently, it will definitely come back to this diagonal resistance. So in that case, you can have opportunity for sale. But if the price is respecting this resistance level we're having here, then we'll be expecting a drop to the downside. Maybe we can buy again from there, since it's a much lower price. So that is that for good years. So expectations up front as the market is opening tomorrow. We want to see, we'll observe the price to see whether it will take out this horizontal resistance level we have here and get back to this trend line resistance here at this point. This trend line resistance, that will be the point to get to if you take out this horizontal resistance level here. Okay, or the price is respecting this horizontal resistance, coming back again to this diagonal support. So we can have a reaction of it there and buy at a lower price there. So that is that for good years.